video, I'll be reviewing the BEAUMATE 100% human hair, and I'll be telling you all you need to know before you get this packet human hair. Yes, BEAUMATE is a packet hair, and I'll tell you all you need to know if you should be buying it and what's not, and just general review in all. And without further ado, guys, let's get right into the review. This packet hair BEAUMATE comes with a frontal. Okay, so this is the 3 bundles with 1 frontal, and the frontal is a 13x4. Of course, I would bring out my instrument. I did measure it, and yes, it was accurate. 13x4, that's the 13x4 frontal length. That's what comes with the packet hair of the BEAUMATE. One thing I also want to say about the frontal that comes with this packet hair is the fact that the frontal is very full. Yes, the frontal is full. I love it. It's well ventilated, because yes, there are some frontals and closure that are not sort of ventilated well, but I give it to BEAUMATE packet hair. Their frontal was ventilated very well. It was full, and also I like the shape of the frontal, the fact that the edge shape was already done on the frontal. Okay, the edge shape customization was done. At least that was done. Okay, so I like the fact that there was the shape. It's already going to be shown on the screen, so I like that about the frontal that came with this packet hair. Also, another thing with this frontal that comes with this BEAUMATE packet hair is the fact that yes, it can allow you, the knots of the frontals are not bleached, so I had to personally bleach the knot, which it took well to it. So you can clearly see clips. I did bleach the knots of the frontal, okay, just because again we are trying to customize the frontal so that our frontal installation goes absolutely well, and that's what we have. This is all about the frontal that comes with the BEAUMATE packet hair. Now let's talk about the bundles, the 3 bundles that come in the packet hair. So like I said, it's a 3 bundles in the packet hair, and yes, these 3 bundles are actually full. They are not those bundles that are short length, like they're actually full in the wefting and all, and the wefting is also done beautifully, so I give it to them. And because each of the bundles are actually full, like the normal length, long length, they're actually long length, it also means that the 3 bundle is enough to actually make your wig. Yes, the 3 bundle is enough to actually make a full head. Okay, even if you are sewing it to your hair, the 3 bundles is actually enough with the frontal. And even with the 3 bundles, I actually double wefted, I double wefted actually double weft my bundles while I was sewing. So you can imagine if I was doing single wefting, like I would have had like several pieces, but I actually was able to double weft, and yes, the hair is full. And yes guys, this is the hair, of course, as you can see, this is the hair that we are rocking. Okay, yes. But one thing I also want you to know is that it requires a lot of water. Of course, it's a water course, but yes, it does require a lot of water for you to get the curls. Guys, I have gone out today. I did wear the hair before I went out. Yes, I'm back. The hair is dry. But I can see that some parts here is still giving more of the look. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to re-wet it. So guys, I just took my comb and actually combed it out. This is the look you get when it is still dry. And yes, this is not the totality of it being completely dry, because like I said, I went out this morning and I did apply like some water. So you can see, for instance, this back is not giving dry, but this frontal is really giving dry, which I'll come back to talking about that, because this is something I noticed with this packet hair. The frontal hair dries out really faster than the bundles. I don't know if it's because I did bleach the knots, but I would definitely look into that to sort and figure this out as to why the frontal dries out. And I just feel like I'm not even getting the curl on this frontal as much as the bundle has the curls. Like, do you guys get what I mean? Like, just look at this. There is more curls here in the bundle pieces than in the frontal, and I do not know why this is, but I would sort of try my best to revive the frontal to see what exactly the issue is. But yes, this is the first time that I'm actually putting on this wig, so I'm not pleased that the frontal is drying out very, very fast. So I just wanted to show you guys the dry look before I then proceed to wet the hair, so you can see the hair in the wet state. So let's do that. So I have my spray bottle here. I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Just looking at my mirror actually. So guys, this is the hair in its wet state. So I went ahead to wet the hair just so you can see the hair in the wet form, and this is what it looks in the wet form, guys. It's so cute. I love it. I love it. I love the hair in the wet state. Okay, I love the hair in the wet state, but of course, it really requires a lot of water. Of course, water calls. What was I thinking? But yeah, this is the hair in the wet state. So I absolutely just love the curls and all. But I feel that it doesn't hold the water for long because like I said, I went out today and I wanted water curls when I was going out. I wanted these curls. So I did drip myself in water when going out. But while I was outside, it dried, which I sort of understand, like all these wet calls and all of that. When you're outside and the weather is hot, you're in a place that is also well ventilated. Of course, it's gonna dry out. The hair will dry it out. But yeah, this anyways is the look that we have now. So let's continue with other points of the review. And I love another thing I love about this BEAUMATE packet hair is the curls. Okay, I love the curls of the hair, especially the bundles. Okay, yes, I would say I keep saying the bundles because I just feel this frontal really needs more of the treatment, maybe because I did apply like bleach process to it. And yeah, but even regardless, just look at the curls even on the frontal. I love it. I love it. I love it. Like guys, it is really given. Okay, it is giving what it needs to give. So I love I love the curls of the hair. Now the packet hair also says it is soft, and yes, I must give it to BEAUMATE. The hair is absolutely soft, like I see. Of course, the hair right now is in its wet state, so it is soft. But even when it was dried out, I remember while I was out, I was still able to touch it. I just kept touching it because it was just really, really, soft and nice. Guys, see, again, let me control yourself. Let me remove my hand and stop actually just touching the hair because it's soft. I'll just keep doing it. So yeah, the hair is actually soft. The length of the hair is 12 inches, and this is what is given. This is where it is stopping and all of that. And guys, it's actually still a decent length. It's actually still decent because I actually just thought it was even going to be way shorter when it was like when due to the curl pattern. I actually thought, oh, when you put the curls and all, it will do it to be short, because you get that with coily hair and all. But it's actually decent. I actually like the length. And one thing I would also say is I also like the fact that the frontal that was included in the packet actually has a long strand. Yes, guys, just look at this. This is still the frontal part, right? And just look at the length, guys. This is still frontal. This is still part of the frontal pieces. And look at the length is as long as almost the bundle at the back. So I appreciate that because a lot of this packet hair, their frontal or their closure will be a shorter length than what the extra bundle is. They don't take into consideration that the closure or the frontal length should match the bundle. So BEAUMATE did that. They took that into consideration. So I like that about them. So anyways, that's the pro and con of the BEAUMATE packet hair. Let me know if you'll be trying out this hair, and let me know which of the pros and which of the cons you like or you hate, and let me know if you'll be buying this product right in the comment section. Also, if you work with an hair company and you're looking for someone to review the hair, be it wig, be it braid, be it locks, anything, I'm your go-to. Please say my name in your room, shoot me an email, and I will give you my honest review about the hair with definitely feedbacks that we can work with. And again, it helps the brand with promotions and all. But anyways, that's it about this video, guys. Let me know what you think. Actually, this will be my first frontal that I'll be honing. So BEAUMATE, shout out to you guys. Okay, my first frontal is with your brand. But yeah, so guys, this is the look. Let me know what you think about it. Okay, let me know what you think. And any other thing you want me to work with or review, let me know also in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead, click the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I post. Also, make sure you like this video. It helps this video to do well, and YouTube algorithm can recommend it to more people, because it just means the video, is helpful and other people would want to watch, especially if they are looking for this content. But anyways, thank you so much, and make sure you share this video with loved ones and those that are trying to make decision on going packet hair. Yes, packet hair are actually amazing. I am actually I'm a strong believer in packet hair. Okay, yes, okay. I am also an hairstylist. I make wigs and all, and I always tell my clients I do packet hair, except if my client needs me to work with with bundles, and yeah, but packet hair, they are actually good packet hair that would deliver. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have to run off now, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.